Welcome back to the Garage Gym and welcome to episode 1 of our 3-part Family Rucking Challenge. In this exciting and fun set of videos, we're kicking off our family journey to fitness together using rucking, or in other words, weighted backpacking. So are you wanting to get active and enjoy the outdoors while staying fit for hiking season? Then join us. Join us on this challenge. You can hit the subscribe button and follow along as we do this 3-part series to not only equip for hiking season, but get those feet in shape, get those legs in shape, and get those lungs in shape. So let's go. Here you can see we're gearing up, getting on the boots. We're going out on this kind of beginner ruck, but we're going out into snow, as you'll see. One thing to keep in mind when you're just starting out rucking is not carrying too much weight. So you can see the boys here loading up. They're not carrying that much weight. I'm carrying a little bit more because I'm used to it. So probably 40-45 pounds in this backpack right here. But my son here, not nearly the same. How's your guys' straps? Are they good and tight?
Yeah.
Not too tight though. So you can at least get your fingers underneath them.
Yeah.
Well, is everybody ready to go? Everybody got water?
Yeah.
And remember, you can always adjust it when we're on the trail anytime. Just let us know and we'll slow down or stop so you can adjust it. Okay?
Okay.
All right, we're gonna take this one really nice and easy. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, everybody doing good?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna take it nice and easy, and you lead at whatever pace that you want to lead us at.
Okay.
All right, let's go. With family rucks, especially starting off, it's good to have different members of the family lead at different times, which gives you a different pace sometimes, or just allows that person to lead the rest of the family. Also, another cool thing that happens on these is everyone gets a chance to connect with everybody else. Wow, I gotta really watch my footing here. Just a second. And you can see some really odd tracks there. But just that walking together with a weight on your back gets you trained up for the hiking that we're going to do and the outside adventures that we're going to have once we get into the nicer weather, into the springtime and summer. When we start getting these legs strong now, we're going to have the quad muscles, we're going to have the hamstrings, we're going to have the glutes, we're going to have the calves, and also our feet are going to be tough. That's another important thing. So your feet need to be toughened up, and this is what works it. You can tell that I'm a little bit out of breath, but that's okay. I need to work on this myself too. So as we do this more and more, we get better and better at it, and that's the important thing. And doing it as a family just makes it all the better. In the days that we're living in, it's not only important to be physically fit, but also these family relationships are very important to keep strong. If you've ever wanted something to do as a family that is fitness oriented and is super easy, because most people, we have backpacks because our kids go to school. And if you don't have a backpack, you can get a backpack pretty cheap. This one right here, Army surplus backpack. And I just put it in there because they can hold a lot of weight. And I can use it for winter camping, which you usually need a lot of gear for. And that's another thing. I'm gonna do some loadout videos coming up. And it's just stuff that we use as a family. We use this stuff all the time. And it's made it through all the different adventures. So I'm gonna share that with you guys, and we're just gonna keep getting better and better videos out here on what we do to help our family's fitness level in every way. It's not just physical fitness, it's relational fitness, it's physical fitness. I know there's a lot of talk right now about gold. Well, what's your family's physical fitness? When things don't go the way you think they're gonna go, how are those relationships? How are you set up? So as we go along here, all of these things come into focus by the activities that we're gonna do on this channel. I'm gonna have a series of disaster preparation 101 that you're gonna be able to learn about every different topic in disaster preparedness from a standpoint of looking after your family, and then also being able to not only serve, but help people around you, your neighbors and extended family, that sort of thing. That's what it's all about.